how cute is that for a bathroom? I really want a mini, even though I'm not really sure why. Just looking like the biggest idiot in Primark, trying on all the sunglasses. Are really, really nice for drinks and stuff. So we're now just heading to the best section. Hi everyone, it's Georgia and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a new in Primark. I'm literally so excited to see what's in Primark right now. Like, I just can't wait. I'm thinking loungewear, clothes, homeware, you name it. We're going to go see what they've got. So I really hope you enjoy the video and let's just go have a look around Primark. So we're on our way, we're almost in. So excited. I haven't been in Primark in literally ages, so let's see what they've got. So as you walk in, they've got all the new gym stuff. I keep seeing this on people's videos, like the Alice Live In collection. All the little two pieces are really cute. Literally love this set. I think I'm actually going to get it. The leggings are so nice. Look at the pattern. It's so cute. And yeah, this is also her range. Don't know how much it is. Let's have a look. So the leggings are £10. I don't know how much the top is, but I just love this whole range. They've got the little sports bra and then they've got this top. I'm not really usually a fan of like long gym tops. I prefer like short ones. So I think this and that is a really nice set together. I really like these. Only £8. I actually might get those because they are so nice, because they go nicely with black or white. So we're just in the leggings, and these are the leggings that are like my favourite. They're the cosy ones because they're really thick. You can't see through them at all. Every single time as well I come in and I try to get some of these velvet leggings, but they never have extra small. But I just really want to try them because I've heard they're really nice and they've got a lot of really fluffy bits inside. Also just looking at the vintage mom, these are nice. These are really nice. How much are they? I always see people rave about the Primark jeans, but I never know which ones it actually is they're talking about. 15. That's so much better than I foresee in Topshop though. And then they've got these vintage straight. These are also 15. I usually get a straight leg from Topshop, so yeah, that's those. I feel like these ones are the nicest. They're like a really nice colour. It's like a light denim that I actually like. The only thing is they feel quite like not stretchy at all. I'm not sure if they'd be very comfy. Because that's the thing I like about the Topshop ones, that they're really comfy. So we're now just heading to the best section, my favourite section, the pyjama section. I literally can't wait. I literally love the Primark mini shorts. They have like these ones which are just ribbed, which I think are new. I haven't seen these before, so I'm going to get a few of these pairs because I just live in Primark comfy shorts for bed. This set is also really nice, obviously for the summer because it's way too cold to be wearing this right now, but £7 for the whole set and it's so soft as well. I also think these are really cute. It reminds me of like the Pretty Little Thing co-ord they've got that's sort of like this, but obviously it's not pyjamas. These are pyjamas, like a little shorts and like vest top set for also £7, which is really cute, and they're also the softest thing ever. I'm loving that they've got these little like thin dressing gowns in at the minute because I feel like they're just perfect for when you're doing your makeup, you know, not to get too hot. Love those, and I don't know how much they are. Let's have a look. These kind of ones are only £9, and then they've got like big, really soft, fluffy ones, which is so cute. This one is 15. So yeah, really good. This is just my favourite thing that I've seen in the shop so far. It's like these co-ord, and it's like that material. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, it's white, and it has the matching like hoodie. It's so nice. So now we're just going into the shoe section. I actually really like these sliders. I feel like those are really nice for summer. I'm gonna see what shoes they've got in. These heels I feel like are quite nice for summer because I just love that brown and cream vibe, and also the square toe is like my favourite thing at the minute. I love those. I don't know how much those ones are. £12. I feel like that's quite classic for like Primark heels. I also think these ones are really nice. I'm guessing these will be £12 as well. Oh no, £10. And they're so nice. Imagine with like a black and nude outfit, they'd really make it. I love those. They've also got these ones which are a little bit different, a bit smaller. I feel like these are really nice for drinks and stuff. They've got little gold ones, I guess if you wanted like some more dressy ones. Here we are in the best section of Primark, apart from the pyjama section. That's probably the best. These duvet sets are actually really nice, aren't they? That's really nice, like pink and white. That's like the colours I'm a big fan of, and also this is really nice. Oh my gosh, only £11 for the whole set, and it feels really nice, like quilted. I also feel like I never hopped on the hype when these came into Primark, you know, the big like chunky throws. But I'm actually really liking them. I kind of want one for my uni room. They've got these, and they've also got them in grey. I'm pretty sure they used to have them, oh yeah, there we go, in white as well. So those ones are £30, which I feel like is quite expensive for Primark, but I guess it's because they're like literally so chunky. Still currently just looking at the blankets. I feel like I just need some more blankets. I definitely don't. I really definitely don't, but I feel like I want to just buy another one because why not? I love blankets. Also, I've never seen these in Primark. They're like, they're fluffy, complete duvet sets. I thought that would be so comfy. Also, if anybody has been watching like Sophia and Cinzia recently, since Cinzia moved house, her like doing up her house, she's gone for kind of like a brown and white kind of vibe, and I feel like they have really good stuff kind of look like that in here, like this white thing. But like, how cute is that for a bathroom, just put all your stuff in. I might get this for my uni like bathroom so I can keep all my stuff together in that. I really like that, and that is £6. And then this little wicker basket, I feel like just for your rooms, just throw stuff in, is £4. So yeah, I'm really liking the little baskety things they've got. And then also this one. Sorry, I've just tried to like put everything together, but I wanted to show you because there's people like everywhere. It's so busy and it's so hard to show you everything. I also had one of these sort of size candles from here. I think they're literally £1. Don't know where the prices are. Yeah, they're £1. I had one at Christmas and it was the nicest thing in the world. It's literally gone now. Every time I try and light it, I can't even get in. But I'm going to try and find one that I like the scent of. I didn't like the last one I just smelled because it was too sweet, but this one's really nice. This clean cotton, that one just smells kind of like fresh. Let's have another smell test. They're all just a bit sweet, you know what I mean? This one is Joe. It has like a really cool packaging though. Yeah, I feel like the packaging looks really cool though. Okay, this is the one that I'm going for. How nice is that packaging? So now we're just heading into the accessories, like jewellery kind of section, and I'm just stopped at the like beauty bit. I also really wish I had a holiday coming up so I could buy loads of minis. Minis are just my favourite thing ever. Look how cute, they're just so tiny and cute. I really want a mini even though I'm not really sure why. This range is so cute, it's like peachy. So they've got like eye masks, bags, and then they've got like little eyebrow kits. How cute. It's got like a pencil, tweezers and like eyebrow thing. I feel like these are really cute presents, this range. Oh, that's really satisfying. I don't know. What is that? I don't know. If anyone wants a hot and cold pack, then Primark's your place to go. Just trying on these sunglasses. I feel like they look literally ridiculous, but I actually quite like them. I feel like just for pictures. Are they cool? Are they not cool? I don't know. I'm just looking like the biggest idiot in Primark trying on all the sunglasses, but I'm having the best time, so it's fine. These earrings are quite nice. We're just looking in the jewellery section at what they've got. I think these ones are quite nice. We're both trying them on. I'm gonna get a face mask for tonight. These ones are only 80p, so I'm gonna try them. They're like those sheet masks. This one says glow, so I feel like I need that. And then Mum's going for is it a hydrate one you've got in there? Yeah, that hydrate one. This is so nice, £2.50 for like a fold-up mirror, travel mirror, and it's so light as well. This palette looks literally so much like the Tarte palettes, doesn't it? We were looking at them all in America and they all look literally the exact same as that. And the packaging's sort of really good mirror, and it looks like that. That is so nice. I know it's a bit early for summer, but like how nice are all this like summery bikinis and stuff. They've got that massive overthrow, which is so cute for the beach, and then they've got the full set and the little bikini, which is so cute. I think I'm going to grab this now while it's like in, because I love that. This is really nice. I feel like this is my favourite thing ever to wear on holiday because you can just throw it on over anything, can't you? It's really cute actually. It's got like little, what are they called? Turtle shell buttons. Tortoise shell. Tortoise shell, that's the one. Yeah, it's so cute. I've got one of these from Miss Garden. You've got one. Where's yours from? Marks and Spencer. Yeah, that's quite a cute little bag, isn't it? I like that one. That one's £6. That's really nice, and they've got it in brown as well. Just spotted this bag. It's actually really cute. Remember when they had loads of these in Topshop? So I've just got home from Primark and it was honestly so good today. I feel like Primark is killing the game in January. Like, I feel like it's New Year, new Primark, I guess. But yeah, they had like gym wear stuff was really good. Like as soon as you walk in, the gym wear stuff is just straight away there. The homeware stuff was so good today, and also the loungewear. I think I showed you the white loungewear set. It was honestly like, I can't even cope with that. I can't wait to try it on right now. But yeah, I'm gonna do a separate try on haul showing you everything that I got, because may have accidentally bought 2 huge bags worth of stuff and spent like a little bit too much money. So I am going to do a separate haul for that, otherwise this video is going to be literally an hour long. If you don't want to miss that, I would absolutely love you. Stick around and join the little family by subscribing, and the haul will be coming very soon. So thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!